Welcome to a website where you can remove your picture background for free. The website is the focalclipping.com. The focalclipping.com is a free website where you can remove your image background and also edit the background. This website also allows you to download it either in a PNG form or a JPEG form, and it is free to use, though they have some paid parts, but mostly it's free. You can create an account with them and you're using your email address and your password so that it would be easier for you to use. So there are many things you can actually do on this website, like editing image and so on and so forth, and it is very straight. It is easy to use. A link to the full tutorial video on how to use this website is in the description of this video. Do well to check it out if you want to see how to use this website. I'll see you in the next video.